Ready?
Yeah, go.
Okay. All right, first of all, I apologize the way I look, Mindy, but all right, you're going to sit Sadie on your knee, okay? And since she can't support her neck, she's going to lean forward. So you're going to put her between your thumb and your forefinger. She'll rest like that. And then you just try and burp her this way, okay? And then if she doesn't burp, then you can just rock her like this, okay? You usually go back and forth about 2 or 3 times. In fact, you can even go all the way back. And then burp her that way, because then that'll loosen the gas. So that's all you do. It's just kind of rock back and forth. So that's it. All right, good luck.